Hi guys, it's Nyny here. I'm just so excited. And yes, without Phoebe's consent, today I spontaneously decided to create and upload a video that was not part of the plan. Why? Because I just passed by a KFC and saw this. How could I miss it? Let's unboxing them together. This is a Cinnamoroll water bottle with a coconut shape. It's so refreshing just to look at it, isn't it? Unfortunately, this KFC only has these options left. Since June 1st is Children's Day in China, KFC decided to launch this special children's meal with toys in advance. It's been incredibly popular. This is a Hello Kitty rechargeable fan. And lastly, we have the hottest item of all, the Purin music box. It's incredibly adorable. They just made my day. And that's it for today's video. It may be a bit shorter, but we hope you enjoyed it just the way you like it. Oh, wish me the best in collecting the remaining 2 options next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!